see how it's not dripping anymore?
Yes! Yes! Alhamdulillah!
That sounds nice.
Welcome to another video with Hoodstick. Today we're going to be trying to fix the Soarer. As you can see, it's all covered up. Basically the gearbox is not working, and we've done a lot of research. A lot of people mentioned it. Call it SRD tuning. Looked at a lot of forums. They said the gearbox can be saved if we get gearbox fluid, Dex 2, Dex 3, whichever it is. That's the fluid that the Soarer needs. It takes 8 litres, so we're going to fill it up anyway to see if the car moves. If the car doesn't move, the gearbox is gone. And apparently when you start the car up and there's funny noises, it's already gone, but there's no funny noises, so we might be able to save it with putting the gearbox fluid. We went to your car parts. We bought the most cheapest one that we could get. Probably cost about £80. We've got 8 litres anyway. We're going to put 5 litres in there, and hopefully we're going to see if the car moves. So let's take the cover off. The oil from your car parts. The gearbox transmission pump to put the fluid back into the car.
You know what, it's leaking.
Why is it leaking?
It's got a dipstick in it.
Oh my days.
An open hole.
No dipstick, open hole. That's what it's leaking.
See if I can.
Yeah, take it.
Film it. That is funny. That is.
Found the gearbox dipstick. So I was going to put in the Indian dipstick from Honda Prelude and put that in there. The gearbox bolt wasn't on tightly, it was hand tight. It's a bit concerning, so we're just going to put that on properly. Also, when we took the sump plug off, there was no fluid in the transmission, so the situation is now, we know literally when that happened the other week, all the fluid was gone. That's why it wasn't driving at all. So now we're gonna put the plug on properly, blocked up the dipstick, and now we're gonna fill it up. We'll try 5 litres first, see if the car moves, and then fill it up with 8 litres. And temporarily, if it moves, I guess it's fixed. We did drive it to the point where it ran out, and we did start it, we did give it, so hopefully it hasn't burnt out or anything. But there was no strange noises when you start the car up, so let's just hope that once we put the fluid in, it's all good.
So where we previously thought was leaking was here because it's got no dipstick, but it's leaking from somewhere on that circular thing right on the top. There's a notch. I don't know if that notch is from something that's broken or if there should be something in there, but it's definitely coming out of there. Right now I've got the place covered up. If you watch now, it's not gonna really drop that slow. You see how it's not dripping anymore?
We're gonna start the car up now, hopefully it's... One minute of two. I'll go forward. Yes! Yes!
Alright, let's get it in before it leaks all out. Let's go.
Let me know if it drips out. Alhamdulillah! You too, alright? Out of all the cars, this is the most cleanest. Like all the cars I've got. Yeah. It's driving well anyway. Yeah. Alhamdulillah.
That's not doing any weird shifting.
No. It's going really well. Alhamdulillah. I am so pleased with it. I think this is a very comfortable car.
It is a very comfortable car. Yeah.
That was not even like close to boost yet. Yeah.
Whoever tuned it well. It's very smooth.
Yeah, with the ECU's right there.
Yeah, it's right by my foot.
It's on stock suspension, so that's what makes it a bit, when you're giving it,
softer,
it bounces and squats. It needs to have coilovers.
That sounds nice.
That came quick, that did. So the Soarer's back in the unit, we did it. Apparently there's no leak now.
It's got a certain level that if it gets above it,
Yeah?
it just drips out to prevent it from being too full.
Alright then, well that's it I guess. So
We'll look more into it.
Yeah. So obviously I estimating more than 6 liters, and it started dripping out, and now at just below 6 liters, it's not dripping out anymore now, and it's done the job, I guess. But parked you up for now for further investigation and take it from there. Temporarily, the gearbox is running. It's the car moves. That's the most important thing, and we're gonna diagnose why it's leaking. So stay tuned for the next video, and peace out. May the mighty bless each and every one of you. See you guys next video. Peace.